Dear Ford, for as expensive as these trucks can be, and for as much as they hold their value, I know this is a 2001 and it wasn't exactly cheap. Can we do something better than this? I mean, like, I feel at that rate, that price range, there's something better that we can do. So today on 7.3 liter truck stuff, we're going to install a tailgate assist. Not because I'm being whiny, because I think that that's just what needs to happen. Crush like, hit subscribe for me, let's get moving. And here's what comes with your tailgate assist. We've got a ball mount plate, a torque wrench, a shock, another ball mount, a blind nut, some mystery fluid, imagine that, some oil, and some directions that make it look like I knew what all those tools were. All right, y'all, all I had to do here was push this tailgate up, flip this tab, and slide this off, and then use the provided tool they gave us and put a little torque behind it. I was able to get it cracked, move it to the point where it's hand fed out, and original blue is now showing. All right, from this point, take this provided tool, take this, insert, and tighten down. Good to go. All right, at this point, we're just going to reconnect, and with an 8mm, yep, 8mm, undo taillight assembly. There we go. We are out. All right, with the taillight assembly off, we are going to remove this rubber boot right here with an 11mm socket to take off these two bolts right here. All right, with this boot removed, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the taillight assembly. Simply reversing what we did before. good to go. And as always, there's a special place in prison for people who make directions, but let me sum it up for you. You take this nut right here, there we go, and you adjust that and then screw this in until you have 3/4 of an inch. Okay, here's where things get a little special with this project. We're going to take a number 6 Allen wrench, there we go, and we're going to put it in the center of this thing. I'm going to slide that in. We're going to ensure that this Allen wrench does not move. The next step is to take a number 13 wrench, and we are going to twist only this portion right here, leaving the Allen wrench in place. I'm going to do that now. Okay, at this point, and I'm doing this with one hand here, but without moving this Allen wrench again, number 13 wrench here is pretty tight. So at this point, what we're going to do is just twist out this Allen wrench, and the whole main body of this will screw off, leaving this piece inserted on the inside of the tailgate. And in a perfect world, this, all right, and it looks to work, will screw right on in. So we're going to thread lock that and screw it on in. All right, with this bolt thread locked, spin this all the way into place. And with a number 16 wrench here, tighten it on down. Give it one more little bit of love. I'm saying we are good to go. All right, after competing with jet noise and continuing to compete against my neighbors who want to do yard work 24/7, 365, we're at the final step here. So we got the DeeZee tailgate assist with this portion down here being the telescoping piece. So I'm going to snap this top piece on. No, I'm not. I'm going to do it opposite. I'm going to snap this bottom piece on. There we go. Bring the tailgate up. Snap in this top piece here. And it looks like we have a fully functional tailgate that does not slam down. How about that? One more. Not bad. All right, another one done. Crush that like button, slam subscribe. I appreciate it. Help me out. I am quite literally the dude next door who doesn't know how to do any of this stuff outside of taking the opportunity to read a lot of directions and make sure I understand it so I can pass it on to you guys. Be good to each other.